Hi, good evening, all. So here, if you see, like once you log into your dashboard using your mail ID and the code provided, so you will be getting the Atlas Capture access like this. So you don't need to go to the dashboard. You have to just come to the Human Verifier tab. So our project is Human Verifier. So we will be working on this tab only. So here you can see view fabric with both hands is given. So yes, apart from this, the user is not doing any other second or third task here. So you have to mark, is anything important action missing? No. So it's not missing. Just submit it. Then next, press the plastic bag in trash bin with both hands. Yes, it's correct. And if it's anything is incorrect, you have to select the wrong object as in, so instead of this plastic bag, if anything other thing is there, like something, let's say any other thing like some bag, instead of bag it is something like basket or anything other thing, that is called as wrong object. Or added object, like apart from that, if any other object is there, missed object, wrong action, so here the action is wrong. So instead of pressing, he is like, let's suppose filling the plastic bag, so that is called as incorrect action. Added action, here the action is not mentioned. Then hand is missing here, or grammar or spelling is incorrect, you have to mention that. So if we go ahead, uh, pass packet from right hand to left hand. Yes, is it correct? Let's see. Yes, if it's correct, if it's correct, then we will mark as correct. Straight and packed with both hands. Yeah, from right hand to left hand it is moved, then we will mark this. Next, so here the label time is nothing but from start till end how much you have worked. The label today is today how much you have completed, what is your count. And label this session means like without refreshing how much you have completed, that is the count. So here you can see hold plastic bag with left hand. Okay, scratch plastic bag with right hand. Yes, the action is correct, nothing is missing. So if anything is missing or incorrect, you will mark it here. So sometimes what happen, let's suppose I'm leaving this screen idle and I'm unable to, like, I didn't understand and I have having some doubts and I have left this page for 10 to 15 minutes. So what happens, you will get the error here, this question is not available or expired, something like that you will get. So if you get that error, go to the dashboard, come back here, refresh the screen, you will get the questions again. So the task, video task and the questions and the task will be coming. But if you mark anything wrong, let's suppose here I have, this is correct now. So for this correct, if let's say instead of garment you are thinking as t-shirt and you're marking it as wrong object and submitting, then it will be counted as your error. So if you do more errors, what it will happen, it will count into error count. And then for that day, let's suppose at 3 p.m. if you're getting banned, you will get like your answers are incorrect and you cannot work for today, something like that error will come. Then you are like, first at first it will show your answers are incorrect, so kindly work actively and accurately. So like that, your answers did not match the standard quality, like there's something will come. That is your first warning. Like first notice that it is like you are doing something wrong. So then next it will come, like if you're continuing the mistake, continuing the error, then what will happen, it will give the error that your work for today is done, you will get the access next day. So to avoid that, what you have to do, you have to do this correctly. If you are missing anything wrong, if you're doing anything wrong here, then it will count like that only, like it will give the error like your work for today is done. Then you have to come the next day, like if you're banned at 3 p.m or 7 p.m, anytime, like in the day or in the morning at 11, 12 in the afternoon, like that. So you will be getting the access post 12 o'clock only the next day, like 12 a.m in the midnight. After 12 you will get the access for the next day. Because it is very important that here, if it's a human verifier also, We must, it is our responsibility that we are doing it correctly. And next thing is like, for example, here the video is playing, and here, let's suppose, here the at 1 second only I am giving it submit and continue, so it will calculate your speed also for the one question. Here it might not be visible for you all, but it will count in the back end, like how much time you're taking. Let's suppose here I'm just marking like this without reading and submitting, so it will definitely count your time. If you're marking it before the video, and it will definitely count. So you have to read it correctly. Straighten blue garment with both hands. Yes. Any other task is done apart from this? No. So give a no for this. And next, hold the vegetable with left hand. Yes. Cut the vegetable with knife in right hand. So everything is added here. We have the object, we have the action, we have the hand, and grammar is also correct. So you need to validate in this way. So if you are doing anything wrong, then it will be counted as wrong only. So please kindly follow the guidelines and follow this object and everything, refer it correctly, and then take the actions. Don't make it so fast forward that you are just marking this blindly and then giving a submit and continue for making your task count, increasing your speed and doing like that. So please kindly don't do like that. You have to go and follow the guidelines and everything. Thank you.